Welcome back to the channel. If cleaning stairs has always been a struggle, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're reviewing the best stair vacuums of 2026, featuring our top 5 picks and in-depth reviews. We've tested them for suction power, portability, ease of use, and overall performance so you can find the perfect vacuum for those tricky stair jobs. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Dyson V8 Animal Plus Cord-Free Vacuum, Renewed, Iron/Sprayed Nickel/Purple, is a cordless stick vacuum designed for versatile, everyday home cleaning. It delivers strong suction for carpets and hard floors, with up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard mode, while max mode provides extra power for short bursts of around 7 minutes, ideal for stubborn dirt or pet hair. The direct drive cleaner head efficiently lifts dirt from carpets, and included tools like the mini motorized tool, crevice tool, and combination tool make it easy to clean upholstery, stairs, and tight corners. It converts to a handheld vacuum for added convenience, and its filtration system captures fine particles and allergens. Pros: powerful suction, lightweight and easy to maneuver, effective on pet hair and mixed surfaces, hygienic dirt ejector, and versatile with multiple attachments. Cons: limited battery life in max mode, long recharge time, smaller dustbin compared to full-sized uprights, and no mopping or self-emptying feature. As a renewed model, it offers strong performance at a lower price, though battery longevity can vary. Overall, it's a solid choice for pet owners and anyone seeking a reliable cordless vacuum, providing excellent cleaning performance and convenience in a compact package. On number 2 is the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus Cordless Hand Vacuum, CH951, Black, is a compact yet powerful handheld cleaner built for everyday messes at home and in your car, with a special focus on pet hair pickup. Its strong suction performance tackles dirt, crumbs, and pet hair on upholstery, stairs, car seats, and hard floors without cords holding you back. The Pet Power Brush attachment is designed to lift stubborn fur from fabric surfaces, while the crevice tool and scrubbing brush help reach tight spaces and stubborn debris. An XL dust cup means fewer emptying stops during bigger cleaning jobs. Pros: powerful suction for a handheld unit, excellent pet hair pickup with the Pet Power Brush, versatile attachments, cordless convenience, and a roomy dust cup. Cons: battery runtime is limited compared with stick vacuums, so longer jobs may require recharging, and as a handheld design, it's not ideal for whole home floor cleaning by itself. In real-world use it feels comfortable and easy to control, making quick cleanup tasks much faster. Compared with basic handheld vacuums, it delivers noticeably stronger performance and better tools for pet owners. Overall, it's a great value for anyone who needs a portable, pet-friendly vacuum for cars, furniture, and quick spills, and I'd recommend it for households with pets or frequent small cleanup needs. On number 3 is the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, Yellow, is a lightweight yet powerful vacuum designed for everyday cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, delivering strong suction in a compact, easy-to-maneuver package. Its canister design and smooth wheels make it simple to pull around furniture, stairs, and tight spaces, while the included hose and wand help reach corners and higher surfaces with ease. The vacuum comes with 5 bags included, reducing ongoing costs and helping maintain peak performance without frequent purchases. In real-world use it picks up dust, debris, and pet hair reliably across various surfaces, though performance on very deep carpets may require multiple passes. Pros: strong suction for a canister at this price, lightweight and easy to use, versatile on carpets and hard floors, smooth maneuverability, and 5 bags included for value. Cons: can be louder than some premium models, dust bag costs add up over time, and it's less feature-rich than higher-end vacuums with motorized brush heads. Compared with basic upright stick vacuums, it offers better airflow and maneuverability, especially in tight spots and under furniture. Overall, it's a good value choice for everyday home cleaning, and I'd recommend it for users who want a reliable, straightforward canister vacuum that handles mixed surfaces without fuss. On number 4 is the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, Advanced Clean HHVK515JP07, is a cordless, portable cleaning tool designed for quick pickup of everyday messes at home and in your car. Its powerful suction easily handles crumbs, dust, and debris on floors, countertops, seats, and upholstery, while the pet brush attachment helps lift stubborn pet hair from fabric surfaces. The washable bowl filter makes maintenance simple and keeps performance strong without frequent filter replacements. Being rechargeable and cordless, it offers great convenience and freedom of movement. Pros: strong suction for a handheld, pet hair pickup with brush tool, lightweight and compact, cordless convenience, and washable filter. Cons: limited runtime compared to larger vacuums, smaller dust cup means more frequent emptying, and less powerful than full-sized models for deep carpet cleaning. In real-life use, it's especially handy for quick cleanups and tight spaces like cars and stairs. Compared with basic handhelds, it delivers noticeably better pet hair performance. Overall, it's a solid value choice for quick, everyday messes, and I'd recommend it for anyone who wants a portable, pet-friendly vacuum for spot cleaning. On number 5 is the Wise Cordless Vacuum S. Is a lightweight stick vacuum engineered for everyday home cleaning on hard floors, low-pile carpet, and pet hair. Its 20 kPa powerful suction and 300 watts brushless motor deliver strong, consistent airflow that lifts dust and debris effectively. A HEPA filter traps fine particles and allergens, making it ideal for allergy-sensitive homes. With up to 40 minutes runtime, it offers plenty of cordless freedom for medium-sized spaces, though runtime dips at higher power settings. The vacuum feels easy to maneuver around furniture and transitions well between floors. Pros: strong suction for its class, long cordless runtime, HEPA filtration, lightweight design, and effective on pet hair and crumbs. Cons: less effective on very deep carpet, battery life shortens on max mode, and onboard tools are basic. Its stick form factor is great for quick cleanups and stairs, and the detachable handheld adds versatility. Compared with heavier corded uprights, it sacrifices some raw power but gains convenience. Overall, it delivers good value for cordless cleaning, and I'd recommend it for users seeking a balanced, everyday vacuum with strong performance on floors and pet hair.